Hi, today we are going to see about the problems of subnetting, and I will show you a Word file. This is the questions we have given. Number of needed subnet is equal to 3, number of needed usage host is equal to 45, and the network address 200.175.14.0, and we can see it from here, the 200. I will open it. Sorry for it. In from this PDF we can see that there will be a 5 classes, and the 5 classes will be given a some particular limits of numbers, and it will be like A1 to 127 and B128 to 199, class C 192 223, and they will have a specific default subnet mask. And if we see this question, it's shown that 200.175.14 starts with 200, so that we can see which class is these things. It's showing that it's a class C, and we know the class C has some default subnet mask, and 255.255.255.0 will be the default. From that we can see default class mask, and subnet custom subnet mask how we will get means here they have said needed subnet is 3. So always if it is comes, we should assume as 2 raised to n. The n means it should be always equal to the number of, it should not be greater than 3, it should be equal to 3, like that. So if we put, just assume that if you put 2 raised to 2, okay, 2 raised to 2 means it will be 2 raised to 2 means it will be 4, and it's greater than 4, but it's 1 bit only greater than 4, so we can take it. And we are putting it custom we are taking and 1 bit from the other side of that IP, so we are getting 192 point. Look here, it's 24, and we are incremented by 26 to 2 bit, and the total number of subnet is 4, and total number of host address is 64, and number of usable address is 62. The number of borrowed bits is 2. It's nothing but a 64. How it 64 came means I will tell. I didn't wrote the logic behind it, I can tell, but here out of 8 we have taken the 2 bits, and 6 is balance is 6 is there, and 2 raised to 6 minus 2 will be calculated and into 2. That's how the 62 to 64 came, and the 62 also came like that, and the number of borrowed bits is 2, as I said here. And let's see this table how it works. And the subnet address is 200.75.14.0. the first valid address will always be the last, this digit will be incremented once. Look, it's same for the 3 servers, and the last valid address will be this address will be these things, and the broadcast address will be incremented by last address. These are same for these 3 also. This is how we will calculate subnettings. Okay, thank you.